Why does your scanner show the P2623 engine code? What does it mean? P2623 is a diagnostic trouble code for injector control pressure regulator circuit. This engine code indicates that the PCM detects an open circuit or other electrical fault in the injector pressure regulator system. This issue is most common in diesel engines, particularly those with hydraulic electronic unit injector HEUI systems. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: IPR valve failure, wiring and connector issues, loose connections, high-pressure oil pump problems, PCM malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.